Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get this 90s inspired twisted look. So my hair is on day 4 and it has a lot of dry shampoo in it. I like to do looks like this when my hair is dirty because of all the product buildup. I get a lot of extra volume and texture.
For this look you're going to need a clear elastic, some hair potion, hairspray, and dry shampoo. So before filming this I applied dry shampoo and I parted my hair down the middle. Start with a triangle section at the hairline and separate into 2. Lay the section that is further away from the part on top of the other one and twist 2 times. Then you can add more hair to the lower section. Slowly make your way back, repeating those steps. Once you get to the back of the crown of your head, secure it with an elastic. Now repeat those steps on the other side. Now you can recurl any pieces that need it. I like to bring the curler close to the root just for a little bit of extra volume. Once you're done curling, you can add dry shampoo to soak up any excess oil. Then you can add some back combing to help the volume last throughout the day. Lastly, I'll add some hair potion to get those piecey ends and a little bit of extra hold. You can rub it between your hands and then use a scrunching motion to apply it.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This is a great look if you want your hair out of your face and your hair is dirty and you just need something quick to do. If you want to see more like this, please like and subscribe below, and I will see you guys later.